A federal judge dealing a blow to President Trump's restrictions on admitting refugees to the U.S. from 11 countries, most of them in the Middle East and Africa. The judge in Seattle ruling the president cannot block refugees if they have a, quote, bona fide relationship with someone in the U.S., like a family member. Let's bring in Doug Burns, a former federal prosecutor. Doug, Merry Christmas. Thanks for coming in.
Yes, sir. Happy holidays.
I wonder what is, this is 3.0, I think,
yes,
on the
it's
travel
the third
ban.
one, right.
What should we know about this development?
Well, it's interesting. This has basically been a separation of powers tennis match. The executive branch issued the order. That was the first shot over the net. Back came a court ruling invalidating it. So they came with the backhand, the second one. And back it came with other court decisions invalidating it. This is the third one. Now, the Ninth Circuit, which is Seattle, and the Fourth Circuit, Virginia, both have pending cases about the travel ban. The Supreme Court on December 4th said, A, everything's being stayed, okay, and the ban can stay in place. That's why this latest decision really doesn't have a lot of practical significance, because the ban remains. But the Supreme Court said once the Ninth Circuit and the Fourth Circuit are done in evaluating the case, they insinuated that they will hear the case. And in my opinion, that's what's going to happen.
And so how quickly do you think the Supreme Court will deal with this in 2018?
Next term, you know, probably around the middle of the term. And then the arguments are actually pretty interesting.
And what's the best argument for the president? We've heard about what this judge out in Seattle thinks, but what's his best opportunity, to use your analogy, to have a smash in 2018? Maybe get it over the net there.
The overhead.
Yeah, overhead smash.
But no, I mean, you know, he has been, the administration, I should say, has been saying, you know, national security, the safety of Americans. And truth be told, they've overplayed that a little. And in the Ninth Circuit opinion, they made a little bit of a sarcastic reference. They said, you know, national security is not a talismanic, you know, phrase. Right. So maybe they have. But their best argument, honestly, and you've heard many legal experts say this, is that the applicable statute, right, in the immigration laws gives the president pretty wide authority to do this type of thing. What the Ninth Circuit said, however, is that the president didn't make an adequate showing case by case that particular people that were going to come into the United States actually posed a threat. But the authority is quite broad.
But then when you hear about someone being here because of a family member,
right.
We saw this terror attack. It was an attempted terror attack just a couple weeks ago.
Of course.
Here in New York City, and we understand that the terrorist was here because of chain migration.
See, you know, I'm giving you the legal analysis, but you can't avoid the politics. That gets into the world
of politics.
You can't avoid the politics of it. So your point is an excellent one, of course, Ed, and that is that, you know, many on the right say, well, just because somebody purports, let's use that word, to be a family member or have a job or have something to do with a university or education, that doesn't really mean that people aren't committing fraud. Again, it's case-by-case basis, and those arguments are viable on both sides. I mean, if somebody legitimately is part of a family, of course nobody wants to break apart families. Right. But if there's certain fraud and misrepresentations, that's a different discussion.
Supreme Court's going to get the final word. We're looking forward to seeing that pretty soon.
Absolutely.
Doug Burns, good to see you.